This is Toby down at Paran Market, standing next to a random guy who owns a mushroom store, Mr. Damien Pike. Put your hands together, woo! I'll be making a custard tart today, which is kind of drawing on my English heritage a little bit, and I'm making it because it's one of your favorites for sure.
Absolutely, thanks, Toby.
Lots of nutmeg on top. I'm going to show you how to make the custard. It's really, really easy, but I will be starting with a blind baked base. To learn how to do this, there is a million clips on YouTube, on the internet, and previous ones I've done for the Paran Market, so go and check it out. This is how we do the custard. This is a tart case I blind baked this morning with rice. You can always use dried lentils or dried beans of some sort, putting the baking paper and filling it right up to the top so you don't get a rise with the pastry. So very carefully lift that out so we don't get a spillage everywhere. And we can pop to the side, and that's ready to go. I've got the oven preset on 180 degrees, and now we can pull the ingredients for the custard together. Take a vanilla bean and very carefully slice it down the middle, and use the knife to go along and scrape out that seed. Once you've scraped that out, just pop it to the side. Add 3 eggs into the mixture, 1.5 cups of milk, sugar, and the vanilla bean, and whisk this to combine. Take this vanilla pod and pop it into some caster sugar for a week or so, and after you have vanilla flavored sugar. Once you've whisked all that together, pop it directly into this blind baked tart case. Once the custard ingredients are in the blind baked tart case, pop it into a preheated oven on 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until set. Once the custard's set, remove the tart from the oven, allow it to cool to room temperature before putting it into the fridge for at least 2 hours. Finish with freshly grated nutmeg.